Rainbow Hands.
Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today, we are going to draw 3 fruits that are orange in color. First, let's draw an orange. Draw a big circle. Now, let's add little dots to show the orange skin. Great! That looks like a real orange. Next, let's draw a melon slice. First, draw one diagonal line. Now, draw a curved line under it to make the melon shape. Great! Now, let's draw more lines inside to make it look like a real sliced melon. Perfect! Now let's draw an apricot. Draw another circle, nice and round. Let's draw a curved line inside to show the apricot shape. Now add a small stem on the top. So cute! Now let's make all the lines thick and clean with a dark pen. Everything looks so neat and pretty. The drawing part is done. It's coloring time. Let's make our orange fruits bright and beautiful. First, let's color the orange. Color the whole orange bright orange. Let's color it orange. Round and juicy. Next, let's color the melon slice. Let's color the melon orange too. Nice and smooth inside the shape. Let's color it orange. Sweet and yummy. Yellow. Now, let's color the rind green. A nice green line around the bottom. Now let's color the apricot. Let's color it orange. Nice and soft. It looks like a sweet little apricot. Now, let's color the little stem on top. Let's use brown for the stem. Nice and gentle coloring. Wow! Look at our orange fruits. They are so bright and pretty. You colored them beautifully. Now, let's read the fruit names together. Orange, melon, apricot. Great job! Let's read them one more time. Orange, melon, apricot. Wonderful reading today! Thank you for following along today. You did such a great job. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.